There's been a couple of really big, very interesting things in the car world recently. Unfortunately, Kenny from the block has passed away.
Yeah, it's terrible. I remember when he first came out with the Gymkhana videos, because I didn't really know him from the DC Shoes, even though I did a bit of skating back in the day. I didn't know him from the DC Shoes days. But those Gymkhana videos, they really, they made massive reach, and they're fantastic. I mean, just watch the recent one with the. Have you seen the one with the old school Subaru?
Yeah, with Travis Pastrana. Again. Yeah. Look, Kenny from the block. I was watching an old Top Gear episode. That's a reference.
Oh, yeah.
Her callback. Ken Block really introduced this whole generation to the drifting, rallying, just stunting with cars in general. And it's amazing to see what he's done as well. So all the way from his first video, which was probably a couple of $1,000 production.
Yeah, and I think it was about 14 years ago or something like that. So a little while ago.
2008 or something. And then all the way through to the most recent one, and the series that they've gone, where the cars are custom built for this purpose.
Fantastic
car. The production value is incredible. So yeah, really interested to see what happens with Hoonigan going forward, but a really sad loss.
Yeah, very sad. So may rest in peace, and hopefully the family come to terms with the loss. And I think his daughter's been getting involved in some of the videos as well. So yeah, wish them and the family all the best. So very sad news to start off the year.